I don't want a lot for Christmas.
I don't know about you guys, but I've been hearing Mariah Carey all over the place. And you know what that means? It's Christmas! Wow, I don't sound like her at all. But I'm here to introduce to you our 3 advent calendars at Lush, and now's the time to grab them. What's an advent calendar, you might ask? An advent calendar is what we use traditionally in the lead up to Christmas. So typically on December 1st, you open up the first box of your advent calendar and you get to open a little surprise for yourself. Then on the second day of Christmas, you find the second box and you get another little surprise for yourself. So it's a way to count down to Christmas, but also gift yourself all the way through December. Now let's explore these 3 gifts. This is the LUSH Advent Calendar, our biggest advent calendar of the year, with 25 days full of goodies, 11 of those being exclusives that you can't find in store. A lot of them are odes to Christmas past, so for our old school Lushies, you have to grab this so that you can see some of your old favorites. One of the exclusives is even a perfume that you can only get in this gift. This gift is 995 dirhams, and you'll find a full mix of bath, shower, that fragrance that I mentioned, and maybe even a candle. Let's take a moment for this box. It's this incredible reusable treasure chest that you then can empty out and use to store all of your Lush goodies, your shoes, your accessories, your Halloween costumes. So don't forget that all of our Lush boxes are things that you can continue to use all year round. This is our 29 High Street Advent Calendar. Why is it called that? It's actually the street number of our very first location. A little Lush knowledge for you. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you when I say that this gift is absolutely incredible if you are really big into Lush bathing. Raise your hand if you love a Lush bath. I do. If you've raised your hand, or you know that the person that you need to get a gift for has raised their hand, then this is the gift for them. So 25 days full of Lush bath items. So bath bombs and bubble bars. And in this one, you can find 6 exclusive bath and bubble bars from Christmas past. Now this one is costing you only 695 dirhams for 25 goodies to lead you up to Christmas. So if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, we've got the 12 days of Christmas gift. So this is an advent calendar that will cover your 12 days in the lead up to Christmas. Now this one also has a mix of bath and shower items in it. It's priced at 595. And what I love about this packaging is you can see all the different characters from the song. So if you don't know the song 12 Days of Christmas, I'm not gonna sing it for you because you heard earlier in this video that it is not my specialty. Go do a little Google for 12 Days of Christmas and find all the characters on the box. We'll see you in the shop. Merry Christmas, and we can't wait for you to grab your advent calendars now in shop and online.